Hi, it's Mike from Perfect Vinyl Studio. We make custom decals to help you get professional results on your lettering projects. This video will demonstrate how to install house number decals to your mailbox. You can order a set of these decals custom made for your mailbox from my eBay store. They're available in your choice of size and color and with solid or reflective vinyl. You'll find links in the description below. You'll need a credit card to use as a squeegee and some tape. These decals are supplied on a 3-part strip. There's a thick backing paper with a waxy surface, the vinyl numbers, and a sticky transfer tape to lift the numbers from the backing paper and transfer them to the mailbox. Before starting, run a credit card over the front side of the decal to ensure good adhesion between the transfer tape and the vinyl numbers. Then test the adhesion between the transfer tape and the numbers by peeling the backing paper from the transfer tape at a sharp angle. Observe that the letters remain on the sticky side of the transfer tape. If you see any of the letters not lifting from the backing paper, squeegee the front side again to reset the adhesion. Clean the mailbox with soap and water and wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol. Next, determine the exact location for the numbers and hold them in position with a piece of tape across the top edge of the decal. Using the tape as a hinge, lift the decal and remove the backing paper to expose the adhesive side of the decal. Lay the decal back down and squeegee over the letters to establish a good bond to the mailbox. The final step is to remove the transfer tape to reveal the finished product. Peel back the transfer tape at a sharp angle to the surface. You can order a set of numbers custom made for your mailbox through my eBay store listing. Links are in the description.